Auto Basement. SoftPlan's Auto Basement command quickly creates a basement plan using information contained on the main floor plan. To begin, select Model, Auto Basement. In the Auto Floor Options menu, a name can be given to the basement plan and the basement and garage walls can be selected. The garage slab offset can be specified in this menu as well. Click OK to create the basement plan. The basement drawing is added to the Model section of the navigation window under the main floor drawing. Structural components, such as beams and posts, can now be added to the basement plan. Select Draw, Beam, and choose the 3.5 by 11 1/4 level beam from the Beam Type menu. Drawing a beam is like drawing a partition wall. SoftPlan will automatically insert the beam in the walls at both ends, creating beam pockets. Once the beams have been added, a vertical dimension line can be drawn through the beams and then edited to properly space the beams. Next, the structural posts can be drawn. Right-click the drawing screen and select Post, Post. From the structural library of symbols, select the 3-course block pier post. With the snap function enabled, add the post to the beam. Edit the post and select Adjust Height to Fit to Bottom of Beam. The Copy and Draw Select commands can now be used to add the remaining structural posts to the beams. Posts can be easily dimensioned using extension lines. First, select Dimension, Extension Format. In this menu, the ways in which extensions are drawn from different items can be specified. Select Dimension, Item Extension, and draw extension lines upward from the edges of each post. Next, the extension lines can be dimensioned using the Dimension command. Select the 3D Textured tab and review the appearance of the basement in 3D. Return to the 2D basement plan and select Dimension, Diagonal Square. This command is used for measuring the square dimension of the basement. With Snap enabled, trace a line from the bottom left corner of the basement to the opposite corner, which will create a diagonal dimension line on the basement plan.